Scrappers, Andrea here with the whole kit and caboodle. Thanks so much for participating in our virtual GNOME event. And before we announce the winners from the event, I want to bring you back to October of 2019 when we launched our Golden Ticket giveaway. If you haven't heard about our Golden Ticket giveaway, it was just like Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory, and we stuck golden tickets into random 12 by 12 kits that were shipped all over the United States. We shipped out 76 golden tickets. We're going to draw a grand prize winner from those tickets, but we still have 9 tickets that haven't been claimed. So make sure you go back through all of your orders from last year, open up your kits, and let us know if you're one of those lucky 9 that have a golden ticket in your box. So next week, we'll draw the grand prize winner from last year's golden ticket giveaway. Now here's Nick with the winners from our weekend virtual event.
Welcome, Scrappers! Today we are going to announce the winning participants from our recent event, Scrapping with My Gnomies. I would first like to congratulate LaCinda Hansen and Linda Shaw for participating with their GNOME names. Thank you so much for becoming gnomes for the day and being involved in our GNOME shenanigans. I would also like to congratulate Donna Marie Gosik and Kelley Thornton Black for participating in the scavenger hunt. These people gathered blue scrapbook paper, tweezers, liquid adhesive, and so much more to have fun with us that day. Let's also give a round of applause for Evelyn Wullner for commenting on the video Crafting with My Gnomies class. Let's also thank Debbie Hamann Collaer for participating with her comment on the Spring Gnomies demo video. And moving on to the Gnome Hats competition. Did your hat protect you from falling objects? Did it successfully distract ferocious predators? Well, we want to congratulate Shelly, McNierney, and Anna Schramm for making wonderful, adorable gnome hats. Let's also give a huge shout out to Sharon Tierney Meads for commenting on the Let the Sunshine In class. Likewise, let's also congratulate Cathi Weatherly-Jones for commenting on the Bee Gnomes demo. And finally, moving on to the last competition, the photos of gardens and flowers. Hopefully your photos were a little more elegant than a dandelion, but who am I to judge? A huge thanks for Meryl Halpern. Thank you for gracing us with your photo.